Hello viewer, today video we have discussed how to make money online with Shopify store. So start a free trial and enjoy 3 months of Shopify for 1 month on the select plan. Sign up now. So first of all, Shopify, start selling with Shopify today. Try Shopify for free and explore all the tools and service you need to start, run and grow your business. So green box start free trial and show uh, 25 best way to make money from home 2023. There are few things more exciting than being able to crack the code of being able to earn money online, whether you are running an online store on your own website or trying to grow your online brand to sell products and service. Learning how to make money from home can transform your business and your life. This guide will cover everything you need to know how to start make money online from home, including dozens of money making ideas virtually anyone can try. So by following the suggestion below, you can be well on your way to turning your ideas and passion into an exciting, profitable venture that will grow with you over time. Start your business with Shopify. Try Shopify for free and explore all the tools and service you need to start, run and grow your business. Start with 25 way to make money from home. Home job provides learning how to make money from home. Make money from home. 25 way to make money from home. Sell custom products, create a print on demand business, make a subscription box, sell on marketplace, sell digital products, sell your creative work, monetize on ideas, become a freelancer, become a virtual assistant, create sell, make candle, make I have make both normal, make can care products, start a good business, become a tutor of child care. So in this video we have finished. If you like my video then please subscribe my channel.